What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing Apple's HomePod mini. When Apple first announced it, I wasn't actually sure whether or not I was going to pick it up, but something about the $100 price tag just sold me on it. It's a lot more of an approachable price tag than the regular HomePod was, and the sound is actually pretty good considering its size. If you're in the Apple ecosystem, obviously this is the smart speaker for you. Getting right into the box, you can see front and center is the HomePod mini itself, and it has that nice glossy finish up top with the volume up and volume down buttons as touch controls on the top of the device. HomePods also have this really cool mesh on the side of it, so I'm assuming that probably helps with the overall sound. And this overall is going to keep sort of a lower profile on something like a desk, whereas the regular HomePod would look best in a home theater. Taking the HomePod mini out of the box, and wow, that looks really nice. Of course, as with any other Apple product, you're going to get the standard stickers and paperwork and all that kind of good stuff as well. The guide at the top is very important because if you didn't know how to pair your iOS device with the HomePod mini, it shows you step by step how to do that. We also have a singular Apple sticker as well that comes with this. And Apple is removing more and more things from their box, so it's nice to see that this still sticks around. The nice part is the HomePod mini has a braided USB-C cable, so it's not going to get all messed up. And inside we also have Apple's 20-watt power adapter, which is getting increasingly rarer and rarer to see come with an Apple product. Turning the HomePod around, you can see there is a sticker that I can just peel off like so, and there's the Apple logo. Looks pretty nice. So now all that's left is to set up the HomePod mini. But it's important that you have to be on at least iOS 14.2 or later, because if you're not, then you are going to have to update your iOS device. So you could see how if you're jailbroken on 13.5 or 13.7, that could be an issue when setting it up. So here I'm setting up the HomePod mini, and it'll just walk you through all the various steps that you need in order to set it up. And now that we're done the setup process, we can hear how it sounds.
Hi, I'm Siri. Welcome to HomePod. You can't tell, but I'm waving. Let's get started.
So you get it out of the box and you set it up and you put it in a home theater, or you put it on a tabletop. Wherever you choose to put it, it looks good. The holiday season is here, and maybe you're sitting by the fire and you want to listen to some awesome music. And maybe your phone's across the room and you want to know your notifications. Well, you can do that with HomePod mini. So what does the sound actually sound like? Play no copyright music.
Free no copyright beats for freestyle E by Tremor now playing.
On the top, there's volume controls to make it louder or quieter. Sounds pretty good so far. If you tap in the middle, you can play or pause music. And double tapping skips to the next song. So I've had the HomePod for around a few weeks now, and here's my overall thoughts. For only $100, this thing is pretty cool and it produces a decent amount of sound. The one disadvantage that the HomePod has is it has to be plugged into a power source. But unfortunately, that's most smart speakers nowadays. Since the holidays are here, this is the perfect gift to get somebody, and I just think it's really cool. Right now, there's only Apple Music and Pandora integration, but hopefully Spotify comes eventually via software. You also can answer messages and pick up phone calls. But in order to have full access to those features, you have to have your phone up to date. If you buy a second HomePod mini, you also can pair both together to allow for stereo sound, and that's just going to give you more detail and a bit more immersion sound-wise. All in all, for the price, it's a great offer from Apple. Alright guys, that's pretty much going to wrap up today's video. If you did enjoy, please make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe and turn on that bell icon to never miss out on a brand new upload. Hopefully the iOS 14 jailbreak comes out pretty soon, and hopefully I can make some top tweak videos soon. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching, and as always, have a good one. Peace.